In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find MetaTrader 5 ID. In MetaTrader 5, the term ID can refer to two different things. First is your account ID, also known as your login number. This is the number you use to connect to your broker's trading server. Second is the MetaQuotes ID, or MQID, which is used to receive push notifications on your phone. Most of the time when someone asks for your MT5 ID, they're actually talking about your account login number, so that's what we'll focus on here. Start by opening MetaTrader 5 on your laptop or desktop computer. Once it's open, look to the left side of the platform for the navigator panel. If you don't see it, it may be hidden. You can bring it up from the View menu, or by using the shortcut if you prefer. Inside the navigator, find the section labeled Accounts. Under Accounts, you'll see your broker's name, and right next to it, your account number. That number is your MT5 account ID, and it's the exact login you use when connecting to the trading server. If you have multiple accounts with the same broker, you'll see several numbers listed. The one that's actively logged in is usually highlighted or shown in bold. Don't confuse this number with your server name or any passwords. Those are separate. The account ID is simply the numeric login identifier tied to your trading account. You can also locate your account ID outside of the platform. Check the original welcome email or account setup message you received from your broker. It typically includes your login number, the server name, and other connection details. If you can't find that email, sign in to your broker's client dashboard. Most brokers list your MT5 account number prominently on your account summary page. This is especially handy if you've changed devices or you're reinstalling the platform and need to confirm the login. As a quick reminder, the MetaQuotes ID is different. It's a unique identifier used only for delivering push notifications to your mobile app. It won't log you into your trading account and isn't interchangeable with your account login number. So when a form or a support agent asks for your MT5 ID, they almost always mean your account login number found under Accounts in the navigator. That's it. Open MT5 on your desktop, check the navigator's Accounts section for your login number, and if needed, verify it in your broker's email or dashboard. With this, you'll always know exactly where to find your MetaTrader 5 ID.